Ever wanted to be able to tell if a woman likes you or not? We're about to quickly dive into the 30 most important signs you need to know. Let's do this. 1. The eye contact. If she's locking eyes with you more than usual, it's a sign she's interested. It's all about that extra second longer than necessary, guys. It shows she's trying to connect with you on a deeper level. 2. The laughter. If she laughs at your jokes, even the bad ones, she's into you. It's her way of showing she enjoys your company and finds you charming. 3. The touch barrier. A light touch on the arm, a playful shove, or even fixing your hair. These are all signs she's comfortable and wants to be closer to you. 4. The texting. If she initiates conversations or responds quickly, it's a good sign. She's making an effort to keep the conversation going because she enjoys talking to you. 5. The compliments. Compliments are key. If she notices and compliments changes about you, she's paying attention. It's her way of saying she likes what she sees. 6. The body language. Body language speaks volumes. If she's facing you, leaning in during conversations, or mimicking your movements, she's definitely interested. 7. The plans. If she's eager to make plans or suggests activities for just the two of you, she wants to spend more time together. That's a green light, my friend. 8. The questions. Curiosity about your life. If she's asking personal questions and genuinely interested in your answers, she's trying to get to know you on a deeper level. 9. The nervousness. Ever notice her being a bit nervous around you? That could be a sign. Nervousness indicates she cares about what you think of her. 10. The social media engagement. If she's liking, commenting, or sharing your posts more than usual, she's keeping you in her thoughts. 11. The friend's insight. If her friends know about you or tease her when you're around, chances are she's been talking about you. That's a good sign. 12. The I spy. Catch her glancing your way when she thinks you're not looking? Yep, she's interested. 13. The exclusivity. Notice how she avoids talking about other potential love interests around you? She's trying to show you're the one she's interested in. 14. The openness. If she's open about her feelings or shares personal stories, she trusts you. That emotional connection is crucial. 15. The future talk. Talking about future events or plans and including you in them. She sees a potential future with you. 16. The pet names. Pet names are a big giveaway. If she has cute nicknames for you, it's her way of showing affection. 17. The support system. She's your biggest fan. Offering support during your highs and lows means she cares deeply about you. 18. The protective stance. Ever notice her taking a protective stance towards you in certain situations? It's her instinct kicking in because she values you. 19. The genuine interest. She shows genuine interest in your hobbies, even if they're not her cup of tea. It's all about wanting to be part of your world. 20. The comfort zone. If she's comfortable being herself around you, quirks and all, she's into you. It's about being authentic without fear of judgment. 21. The priority. You're a priority. If she makes time for you, especially when she's busy, it means you matter to her. 22. The memory lane. She remembers the little things. Whether it's your favorite food or something you mentioned in passing, she's paying attention. 23. The jealousy. Notice a change in her demeanor when you're talking to other women? It's because she's into you. 24. The comfort. She seeks comfort from you during tough times, which means she sees you as a source of solace and strength. 25. The personal space. Inviting you into her personal space or home is a big step. It shows she's comfortable and trusts you in her personal domain. 26. The future questions. Asking about your plans, especially regarding relationships and future goals, means she's evaluating if you both have aligned visions. 27. The subtle teasing. Subtle teasing is her playful way of flirting. It's about creating a fun and intimate bond between you two. 28. The availability. She's always available when you need someone to talk to, showing she values your presence in her life. 29. The adventurous side. Willingness to try new things with you, especially those outside her comfort zone, signifies she's invested in the relationship. 30. The genuine happiness. Lastly, her genuine happiness when she's with you is the clearest sign. It's about the joy and contentment she feels in your presence. Now that you know those 30 signs, what's next for you? Pick either option on screen to learn more.